Hi guys, Mo here from Action Invest. Just want to give you a top tip today. So when I'm ringing up agents and so on, to filter out the wasted journey and so on that property, and to see whether I'll be able to get it at the price that I need it to be at, or I want it to be at, what I will ask them is a series of questions. Now I call these questions if would. Now basically the questions are, if I was to offer 85 on this, would you think that they'd accept it? Now, I don't even say £85,000. I don't want to insult anybody or anything like that, so I just put on a figure of 85 out there. And by asking questions like that, I'll get a good indication of whether I'll be able to get this property for the price that I need it at, whether it's worth me spending my petrol, my time and so on to go and view this property. Obviously, I've seen it online, I've checked out or done all little bits of due diligence on the area and so on beforehand, but then if would questions help me to determine where the vendor's at and so on, and whether I'll be able to get it. Saves time is money, as they say. Thanks for watching, hope you like that tip.